If you're home, like I am, you might have a home computer. So here's some things that you should do to keep your home computer running. Make sure you have antivirus and some kind of anti-malware. And keep the updates happening automatically and make sure that they're actually working. Remember that the bad guys are finding ways around these programs daily, so it's important for you to keep your defenses up. When was the last time you backed up your data that's on your home computer? It's not work data, is it? Well, anyway, back it up. Put it on your list to do today. Do a complete scan using your security tools. A complete virus scan, malware scan, all that good fun stuff. Do you have a web content filter? If not, get one. Update Windows. Patch Windows. Patch everything. Delete stuff. Uninstall programs you don't use anymore. Every single program you use has vulnerabilities of some kind or another. There's no need to have them installed if you don't use them. So here's a question I'd like to know. Do you use the same password for different accounts? Stop doing that now. Even for home. Start using a secure password manager to keep track of your passwords. And don't be afraid to implement MFA or TFA, multi-factor or two-factor authentication, for your important accounts. Like banking, credit cards. Oh, that dating site that specialized in matching folks who really like the movie Buckaroo Banzai. Because, Buckaroo Banzai! Do you do regular maintenance on your computer? Add to my list in the comments below. And if you'd like to know some suggestions as to tools that we'd recommend for home use in this list, let us know that in the comments below too. We'll let you know.